Hey YouTube, this is a quick video on how you can actually test an extra video card uh, on a desktop. If you have already, if you have one already there, you don't want to take it out, and also if you don't want to mess with it's already routed cables for the power supply. This video applies too, because I'm going to show you how you can turn on the external power supply and test video card without doing anything with your video card in your PC. So all basically you need is the power supply, the riser card. This one I had for my mining rig. Okay, and this card actually requires 3 connections. 1, 2, 3. So that's what you need: the card, your card to test in, the power supply. You can use your power supply, but this is just an extra power supply and a riser card. And I'm using the adapter here for the, let's say, the connector. Okay. And riser card, you just plug it into the PCI slot on your computer. An extra slot, you should have that. You should have one. So let me plug it in right here already. Okay, wrong way. Okay, plug it in like that, and the main part is the main plug for the power supply. So if you have usually it's colored, but not on this one. So all you need to do is just count 1, 2, 3, 4 where the latch is. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this should be the green wire, the fourth, and the fifth is the black wires, ground. So you just ground that green pin basically. Okay, and you just turn it on after that. See, it turns on, it works beautifully. Okay, so this is how you test your video card without doing anything on your PC. So this is just a lot easier this way. And see, it works. Let me see if you can see that. See that? A little egg. This card is not good, so you should be able to see, I guess. Yeah, this lights up. Let me cover it kinda, so you can see. I'm gonna turn it off. See, those lights and the light right here, you can see too. It lights up, so everything turns on, the power supply turns on. So thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up to grow my channel. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye.